Gravenhurst, located in Ontario's Muskoka region, has declared a state of emergency following a severe snowstorm that dropped approximately 14 centimetres of snow. This snowstorm caused the prolonged closure of Highway 11, leading to significant disruptions and strained emergency services. The Ontario Provincial Police reported that crews were working to clear stranded vehicles from a snow-covered section of Highway 11 north of Orillia, leading into Gravenhurst. Emergency responders were busy assisting motorists who had become stuck in their vehicles, transporting them to Gravenhurst Town Hall, which remained operational thanks to backup generators amid widespread power outages. The snowstorm also caused several municipal roads to become snowed in, with reports of abandoned vehicles, downed trees, and power outages compounding the challenges. As of Sunday morning, over 60,000 customers were without power in the region. Snow squalls originating from Lake Huron and Georgian Bay are expected to shift towards southwestern Ontario, and Environment Canada has forecasted an additional 30 centimetres of snow by Tuesday, in areas such as London, the Bruce Peninsula, and Collingwood. The snowstorm has resulted in both northbound and southbound lanes of Highway 11 being completely blocked, with trucks stranded and unable to get assistance. Tow trucks and emergency vehicles have been unable to clear them. A winter weather travel advisory has been issued for several regions, including Kitchener and Newmarket, where 5 to 10 centimetres of snow is expected. On Sunday afternoon, Gravenhurst's Mayor, Heidi Lawrence, activated the town's Emergency Operations Centre to handle the crisis. Fire crews from Muskoka and Bracebridge have been actively working to rescue stranded drivers. The situation is expected to remain challenging for several days as snow squalls continue and recovery efforts unfold. The town is experiencing widespread disruptions, and the roadways are blocked, making it difficult for residents and emergency crews to navigate.